Hello friends, in this video we intend to guide you step by step on how to register on the top BrightFunded site through the Tradingfinder website. Once we have opened the review related to prop firms and selected BrightFunded, you click on the option Go to Website. The page related to the BrightFunded site opens for us. And through the Login Register option, you enter the page related to account opening. In the first step, if you have already registered before, by entering your login information, you will access your trading account. Otherwise, to open a new account, you click on the Register option, and the account opening form will open for you. After completing the form, you click on these two options. We click to accept all the terms and conditions related to BrightFunded, activate the I am not a robot option, and then click on Create Account. Your account has been opened, and at this point, the page related to logging into the trading account will open for you. An email for verification will be sent to your registered email address from BrightFunded. When you open the inbox of your registered email address, you will see that you have received the email and you click on Verify your email. Your email address has been successfully verified. You click on the Continue option, and as you can see, the page for logging into the trading account opens for you. After entering the login information, you click on the Sign In option and enter the main dashboard of the BrightFunded prop trading platform, which is displayed to us after registration and logging into the account. In future videos, we will review more details about the BrightFunded prop account together. Wishing you success and profitability.